Hi, it's Rita Wilkins, again the Downsizing Designer. So if you're watching this, you've already shown such tremendous courage this last couple of days and weeks. While you're decluttering your sentimental items, you've faced many memories, you've made tough decisions, and you maybe even took a few steps backwards along the way. But that's all part of the journey. So today I want to offer you a little extra support because sometimes, no matter how strong your intentions are, we still need a little structure. We still need encouragement, and we still need the right tools to help keep us going. When I began my own downsizing journey of my big home, I felt overwhelmed. I didn't know where to start. I didn't know what to keep or how to stay consistent and motivated. And that's why I created these 3 resources that I'll share with you today, not as products, but as trusted companions. These are the exact tools that I use with my clients and my community to help them release that sentimental clutter and build lives filled with peace, clarity, and also purpose. So the first one is called the Minimalist Essentials Workbook. This is a roadmap to decluttering for your home, your schedule, and even your mindset. It walks you through room by room with clarity, intention, and bite-sized action steps. So if you're someone who likes checklists, simple prompts, and structure, you're going to love this workbook. The second one is a brand new ebook called A Journey to Less. So it's packed with mindset shifts and personal stories that will remind you of why you started. And this book isn't about getting rid of everything. It's about gaining more of what matters. You'll see yourself in its pages, and it will motivate you to keep choosing less stuff and more life. And the third one is the Quick Start Decluttering Bundle Pack. So this is amazing because it's a perfect package that covers all of your decluttering needs. So it's the Downsizing Decluttering Workbook, a home decluttering checklist, and my best-selling book, Downsize Your Life, Upgrade Your Lifestyle. It's in a PDF format for you to easily download. So if these tools aren't about pressure, they're about support, and they're actually about giving you a lifeline when clutter feels too heavy and too emotional. So if you've ever thought, I don't know where to start, I just keep getting stuck on the sentimental stuff, or I just wish someone would walk me through step by step, then these tools are made for you. You don't have to do it on your own, and you never really did. So if one or all of these speaks to your heart, I invite you to explore them. They're waiting for you on my website when you're ready. And tomorrow I'll be checking in with you one last time to see how you're doing. And I've even got a free gift that I think you're going to love. It's my way of saying thank you for showing up for yourself and for letting me be part of this journey with you. So you are building something beautiful, a beautiful life filled with less clutter and more of what really matters. So keep going because you're not alone.